Hello, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of rooms in the house. Before we begin, if you are new to our channel, or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these words together. Please give it a try. Yard, yard, yard. Garage, garage, garage. Laundry room, laundry room, laundry room. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Dining room, dining room, dining room. Living room, living room, living room. Stairs, stairs, stairs. Hall, hall, hall. Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Closet, closet, closet. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. Master bedroom, master bedroom, master bedroom. Walk-in closet, walk-in closet, walk-in closet. Master bathroom, master bathroom, master bathroom. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, everyone, and see you again next time.